GNS3 cancel. Okay, create new project. Router section. Place two MikroTik routers, the server and the client. On end devices section, add two Windows PCs. The server will delegate this prefix to the client, and the client will use this prefix, this 48 prefix, to create two or more subnets using prefix 64. Okay, start all devices. Log in. Log in. Okay, and first of all, configure the server. I will use this PC Windows 2 to configure the MikroTik server. Go to Windows 2. Winbox. Network tab. Double click here and connect no password by default. Verify the IPv6 package. Okay, system package. IPv6 package is disabled. Double click and enable. Okay. Then reboot system, reboot. Yes. Okay. Configure, enable IPv6 on the client. Use Windows 1 to connect this client. Winbox. Network tab. Double click here. Connect. System packages. Enable IPv6. Enable. Okay. Then reboot. Yes. Okay, now configure the link between the server and client using Ethernet 1 on both sides. Okay, first of all the server, and configure on this subnet. Okay, the first IP for server and the second IP for client. Windows 2 to configure the server. Reconnect IPv6 addresses plus the first IP prefix 64 on Ethernet 1. Advertise, apply, okay. Now Ethernet 1 on the client, use Windows 1 to configure the client. Reconnect IPv6 addresses plus the second IP. Ethernet 1, advertise, apply, okay. Verify, new terminal, and now ping the IPv6 address on the server. This is the first IP. Connection successful. Okay, Control C to stop. Go to the server and configure the prefix delegation. Okay, use Windows 2 to configure the server. IPv6, create a IPv6 pool plus a pool name pool-1. The prefix, use this prefix 48 with this subnet. Okay, 48. For the prefix length, you can use equal number than 48 or a higher number than 48. Okay, I will use 48. You can use 49, 50, and so on. Okay. Apply. Okay. And now create an IPv6 DHCP server plus the name DHCP-1. The interface will be Ethernet 1. The interface connected to the client. And the pool, the existing pool-1. Apply, okay. Now configure the client using Windows 1. IPv6 DHCP client plus the interface is Ethernet 1. The interface connected to the server. You will get a prefix, not an address, so disable the address and enable the prefix. And create a pool name, a local pool name on the client. That can be client-pool-1. In the prefix length is the prefix that you will use for your new subnets. In my case, subnets using 64 prefix. Remember, the prefix delegation is 48, but this 48 prefix will be used to create new subnets of 64 prefix. Okay, and so my full prefix length on the client will be 64. This is very important. Should be a higher number than 48. Use peer DNS to use the DNS of the server and add a default route, an IPv6 default route to reach other remote networks and internet. Apply, go to status tab, and you can verify that it's working very well. You got the prefix 48, the expiration time, and the server is, this IP is the link local of the server. Okay, 2B00. Okay, verify this on the server. Okay, access the server using Windows 2. Okay, IPv6 addresses. Ethernet 1 is 2B00. Okay, the link local on Ethernet 1 on the server. Okay. Also, you can verify on IPv6 DHCP server. You can verify the bindings. Okay, this is the prefix, the server, DHCP-1, the pool-1, expiration time, status bound. Okay, very good. Okay, finally, configure the client with the new subnets. Okay, I will disconnect this and connect to Ethernet 3. Okay, access Windows 1 to configure the client. Okay, go to IPv6 addresses, create a new address on Ethernet 2 on this subnet, subnet 0, 64. Ethernet 1, Ethernet 2, advertise the pool for the prefix delegation and use this. I will add the first IP for this interface Ethernet 2 using the subnet of the prefix delegation. Okay, and on the prefix delegation you have 3 fields, 16 bits plus 16 bits plus 16 bits, 48 bits. But now you will create 4 fields, each field with 16 bits is 64 bits. The new field is the subnet 0. And I will use the first IP on this subnet for Ethernet 2. Okay, the first IP in the first subnet, the subnet 0. But the same configuration of this is this. Okay. Very good. Okay. Look at the subnet is this. The first subnet using 0. Okay. Okay, both are the same address, the same network address. Okay, and I'm using the first IP for Ethernet 2. Now create on Ethernet 3 the subnet number 1. The next to 0 is 1, and so on. Okay, plus Ethernet 3 the pool, and I will use the first IP. Or is the same, do the following. Okay, the first IP on the subnet. Apply. Okay. Look at the subnet is number 1. Okay. Review this subnet. Is just this. Both are the same address, the same network address. If you will configure Ethernet 4 with the prefix delegation, the next subnet will be 2. Okay, for example, plus for Ethernet 4, the first IP in the subnet using the prefix delegation pool, apply, and is 2. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, finally configure the network discovery on the client. Okay, access Windows 1, IPv6 network discovery, add. Okay, for Ethernet 2 and Ethernet 3. Okay, interface Ethernet 2, advertise MAC, advertise DNS, other configuration, apply. Okay. And remember, Windows 1 is connected to Ethernet 2. Okay. On Windows 1, configure the DHCP client on the PC. DHCP, okay. Command prompt ipconfig all. Okay, on the Ethernet interface, the IPv6 address, this is the network portion, subnet 0, and the interface portion, and temporary IPv6 address, network portion, and the interface portion. Link local address. Now configure network discovery on Ethernet 3, advertise MAC, DNS, and other configuration flag, apply, OK. And go to Windows 2 that is connected to Ethernet 3. Command prompt ipconfig/all. Okay, on Ethernet interface, IPv6 address, network portion, subnet 1, temporary address, network portion, subnet 1. Okay, and from Windows 2, ping Windows 1. So verify the IP address on Windows 1. Okay, use this IP address. Go to Windows 2, ping okay, enter. Success. Ping the server using this subnet, the first IP on this subnet. Success. Thank you very much.